Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Honda Jazz SR Hybrid. Now of course this is a 1.5 self-charging hybrid, and as you can see at the front of the car you do get LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and 4 front parking sensors. You then come around the side, as you can see you've got these brilliant 15-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on each and every alloy. But moving around to the rear now, you get 4 rear parking sensors as well. You then, as you come into the tailgate, get plenty of room in here. You get 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, as they do fold flat with this level just here. Coming around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car we have got the cloth grey with contrasting black leather. You've then got ISOFIX mounting points across the rear bench as well, including electric windows all round. However, only the driver's window is fully automatic. You've then got an electric handbrake with brake hold. Your economy mode is just here. You've then got your CVT gearbox in the middle with your climate control just there. We've then got your 9.5-inch display in the middle, which comes with Bluetooth hands-free, and of course your various audio sources up here. Now the main screen doesn't unfortunately come with a satellite navigation. However, if you do use the smartphone connection here, which is your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you are then fully able to use satellite navigation. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume, voice assistant and track select. The return button and the home button and the bezel in between is used for the onboard computer up top. We've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control on the right hand side of the steering wheel. You've got 4 automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see in the middle, this car has done 5,966 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Jazz SR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.